Hi, everybody. Cardinal Timothy Dolan here. It's the Tuesday before Thanksgiving, which means a lot of us are packing. Okay, they tell us that from the Tuesday to the Monday, Tuesday before to the Monday after, biggest travel days in the calendar, because everybody wants to be home for turkey and pumpkin pie. I sure want to be at home. All right. So look, we need to ask the angels to watch over us. Remember TWA? Remember Trans World Airline? It's went out of business, sadly, a quarter century ago. But Fulton Sheen used to call it TWA, Travel with the Angels. Best advertisement they ever had. But when we travel, we do like to seek the company of the angels, our guardian angels. And we need it because, boy, oh boy, there's tension at the airport. There's waiting at the airport. They're wondering if we're going to get down. And so take off. That we all need kind of God's hand, and we need the holy guardian angels to watch over us as we travel. Okay, talk to you tomorrow.